Employee scheduling using Microsoft Excel. Traditionally, it is solved as some kind of puzzle problem. However, we can use Microsoft Excel, the solver function, and the linear programming to schedule employee. For example, in a small clinic, say you have these 5 nurses, and then you want to schedule them over these 7 days a week. And each of these, they have these requirements, this many number of nurses needed for that particular day. And this is the preference for the nurses, that whether they want to work on a particular day or not. 0 indicate they don't want to work in that day, and 1 indicate, 10 indicates that's their best day they want to work. Now before we start solving this, I would like to make a copy of this original data, because we'll have to clean the data in a way so that the solver function in Excel understand and basically give us the solution. So move this away like that. Let me make it smaller like this. So this is the rating. Our objective function here would be to increase the total rating. So Excel, usually the solver function is start with a 0 assignment, and then it will assign either Katie is scheduled that particular day or not. So if it's on, then it's scheduled. 0 means not scheduled. So we're going to find the total here, and say each nurses get at least 5 days, at least 2 days off for a week. So the condition here is you have to give them at least 2 days off for each week. So that's the only condition. So let me just create another total function. And a lot of this problem we've been solving, it will make more sense why we are doing this almost towards the end of the video. So you just have to be patient with what I'm doing here. And then the objective function here, we can write the objective function is basically we can use the sum product. And as I said again, it's going to make a whole lot of sense when we almost finish this problem. So just stay with me. So here's this objective function. So our goal is to maximize this rating for this. So that's what you're trying to do. So let's go to data and then solver. We want to maximize that, and then we want the Excel solver function to change these to something, and then we're going to add some constraints. So number 1 constraint we're going to add is you cannot just assign a half nurse. So this has to be a binary function. Well, you could probably schedule for them a half a day, but let's not go into that complicacy. So this total cannot go over 5, so that they get 2 days off during the week. So then one more we're going to add is this total will be exactly equal to the requirement posted right here. So, and then hit OK. I think this is the all condition we need. Now if you hit OK, now before I hit OK, usually I would like to create a copy of this so that I have, if something get messed up, I can kind of go back to the condition page. So I'll name this as solution. Now just simply everything is set up. I'll hit and then keep the solution like that. Let me make it bigger. So this is the overall rating increases. It doesn't really matter. The objective function is not a big deal here. We just want to assign nurses. So 1 means the person is assigned that particular day. 0 means none. As you can see, all of them gets 5 days. So if the requirement increases just by 1 nurse, they have to either one of them has to work overtime. So anyway, this is a nice way of scheduling, which has been traditionally solved using kind of like a puzzle. So, but you can use linear programming in Excel to solve this.